So now finally for the last part of this animation, we need to take this box here, okay, position it on the truck and make both the truck and the box go away from this slide somewhere on the right, which will symbolize the shipping, the transportation of this box. So there are several ways to do it. Of course, there is an animation which will allow you to shrink the size of this box and to move it here. But we don't need to make it that complicated, because since PowerPoint 2017, there is an amazing new transition which will do all of this automatically. So let me show you. Go here where you have all your slides, right click, duplicate slide. Okay, so you have exactly the same slide. Now take out all these animations here. So what you can do is that you can click Ctrl A. Once you select one animation, then you click Ctrl A, or you select all of them and just click delete. So this slide has no animations at all. Okay, now take this box here and position it exactly as you want. So position it here, change its size. By the way, again, you see, if I use this here, it doesn't keep the proportions. So hold Shift and then resize it. Oops, no, I didn't want to move the truck. Like this, even smaller. You know what? If this happens to you all the time, just take this truck, right click and send to back. Now it will not happen anymore. Okay, so let's make something that makes sense, which is this. Okay, now you wonder how is it going to work, right? So it's very simple. Click on transitions here. So transitions are not animations. Transitions is between these two slides here. And I will talk about them more in detail at the end of this course, of course, but for the purpose of this exercise, just select transition called Morph. As you can see, basically what it does is that when you copy everything from that slide, you copy the same slide, it remembers the objects as they were in the previous slide, and it will just apply the changes that you made to them automatically. So this is really cool. So you have this slide here, everything appears, we have our box, and now there's a transition to the slide. Yeah, okay. We just need to delete these pictures on the second slide, otherwise it doesn't make sense, of course, because they changed, they disappeared. All right, so like this, we have our box, transition. Okay, and I did the same mistake for the line, for this line here. So on the second slide, let's also delete this line. Oh, by the way, you know what? We can also delete this line. As you will see, it will just disappear by itself, thanks to this morph transition. Box. Here we go. This is very simple.